Ken spent 60% of his money and an additional $8 on a book. Okay, so let us just highlight the key number. So he spent 60% of his money and additional $8. Okay, then after that, he spent 50%, okay, of the remaining money. So guys, please take note that this 60% and this 50%, they are different percentage. Okay, so because this is percent on 60% of his money, whereas this 50%, right, is 50% of the remaining money. So it's actually different. And of course, he spent an additional $15 on a game and he was left with $25. So for this type of question, right, guys, the best way to do it, right, is to use the what we call the layering method. Okay, so it goes like this. First of all, we draw a long model. And of course, it starts off with 100%. So if you use up 60%, there'll be this, and an additional $8. So this amount is used on a book. And please take note, because this side is 60%, right? So from here all the way to the end, right? It has to be 100 minus 60 equals to 40%. Okay, next, um, this is the remainder. So I'm going to just dot, okay, and I'm going to draw a model for the remainder. This is the remainder. So he spent 50% of the remaining money. So this will be 50% and an additional $15. And his being left is was left with $25. So can you see that actually this side it will be 100% of the remaining minus 50% that he used. So this side will be the other 50%. So guys, I want you to take note of two things, okay? First of all, this percent here, right? This percent in the first layer, it belongs to percentage of his entire money. Okay, so I'm going to represent it in blue. And for the bottom, the the percentage is actually percentage of the remaining money. So these are two different percentage and they are different. Okay, so we are going to work with the second layer first. So we know that this 50% equals to 15 plus 25. So it goes like this. 15%, 50% equals to 15 plus 25. That will be $40. So to find the total percentage, right? So 100% equals to 100 over 50 times 40. So that will give us $80. Okay, now we are going to move up to the second layer. So guys, how do we move up to the second layer of as in the first layer? Okay, can you see that this amount we have already found it is 80. So 80 plus $8 here, right, equals to 40%, okay, of the first layer. So we can say that 40% equals to 80 plus 8, which is 88. So to find how much money you have at first is actually the 100%. Okay, so 100 over 40 times 88. Okay, that will give us the answer as 100 divided by 40 times 88. Okay, so this will give us $220. Okay, so that's the answer.